Hello guys, welcome to PlaybookFX and welcome to today's weekly recap. In this video, we'll be reviewing what happened during the course of the week and the trade I took, the wins I had and the losses and the missed trade like that. So we'll be reviewing them. On this episode, I'll be talking GBPUSD, gold, maybe there's any missing opportunity on those pairs as well. I'm thinking of adding more to my pair. On GBPUSD, if you've been following me for a while now, you will notice in most of my analysis on GBPUSD, I said I'm expecting price to come to this area here or start looking for selling opportunity. Price came to this area in the previous week. Price came to this zone and it closed somewhere around here on GBPUSD. Then the following week opened with this big gap here. Coming to the chart on Monday, let me go to 1 hour. I noticed that okay, price is reacting from on Monday. Price reacted from this level. Price took out this inducement here and reacted to this level. I don't trade on Monday, but if I had traded this pair on Monday, I would have gotten an entry here, and I'll show you why. So if you go to 15 minutes from here, these are Monday price action. If I should mark the beginning of London session, I think London session should start from here. That's 7 p.m. in the morning. Me knowing that price is coming from the premium of daily range, so I'm expecting some kind of reaction somewhere around here to push price at least to the premium of this level before I can look for sell. Price gave an entry here, and this will have been my entry, but I don't trade on Monday. This will have been my entry here. If I are taking this trade, I would probably be targeting somewhere inside here. I'm targeting somewhere around here. I'll not be holding my position to take out this rival. I will have gotten out somewhere around that zone here, which will have given me like 1:5 hours thereabout. Yeah, I'll be targeting this liquidity here for price to take out and coming to here. But this was the zone that actually swept liquidity here, mitigated something inside here, then push to the downside. So if I'll be looking for sell from here, this will be my inducement. And if you notice, when price came to that level, price reacted a little bit. This red line here is the beginning of Tuesday London session. So on Tuesday, coming to the chart on Tuesday, I noticed that price has already pushed to the upside like this. If I should consider my protected highs and lows level, I noticed that this high would not take out this low, so price will target this high. So I did not take this sell, and even if I'm to take this sell, I didn't get any confirmation there. If I would have taken this sell from here, I would expect price to take out this low and give me some kind of setup here for me to take the continuation set to the downside. But price only swept liquidity, did not take out the low, and price continued breaking structure. Now if you go to 4 hour, so price eventually took out this high. Price eventually took out this high, came into this extreme here. If I want to take a risky entry, I will have positioned myself here like this, but that will be very, very risky. I will have taken my position there, targeting this low here. I didn't take any trade on Tuesday, Wednesday. I was only able to spot an opportunity on Friday. On 4 hour, we have this breaker block that has this fair value gap here. And me coming to the chart on Friday London session, I noticed that price printed this inducement close to that breaker block. And NFP was coming, so I set my entry here. I'll place the MT4 screenshot on the screen. I had my position here and I was targeting this low here. But price was very, very slow. Even though there was NFP news on Friday, price was extremely slow. So that's the only trade I took on GBPUSD. I haven't closed this position yet. I'm expecting price to come lower. So on gold has been very, 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 very bullish. But on gold, I spotted some opportunity on gold last week, which I didn't take because I'm still trying to gather data on gold. I spotted an opportunity here. Let me go to like sort of 5 minutes. For those of you that are asking me, how do you select a valid point of interest? I'm going to make a detailed video on how to select a valid POI. In this video, I'm going to share a little bit about things I look out for when looking for a valid POI. So the first thing is I need the range. It works on all time frame. This is 5-minute time frame. So we have sweep of liquidity here, break of structure here. I have a valid low here, and I need a valid high so I can confirm my range. So the moment price take out this low, I have a range from this level to this level here. So I'll be expecting price to come into the discount of this range here before looking for buy. If I should select a POI here, I'll be selecting here as my POI. If you should zoom in very well, you will notice that this blue candle swept this black candle low for breaking structure. So on a lower time frame, this is another protected low on a lower time frame inside this range. Another thing is price is always seeking liquidity, so you have to know the liquidity that price is targeting before validating your POI. So price targeted this inducement here. I know some SMC trader will be looking for buy here because this hammer candle here was the last candle before this buy move that broke the structure. So some people will be looking for buying setup somewhere around there. When price gets to that level, price reacted a little bit, see, before feeding it. So when price gets to your level like this, what next you want to see? You want to see a valid change of character. So let me check if you can see it on 1 minute. You can see price was pushing to the downside. See, we had a break of structure here. There was mitigation here. So if price was supposed to continue selling here, this was where price was supposed to sell from. This is 1 minute time frame. See, price reacted a little bit there. Then took out some liquidity and then pushed to the upside. Price then give you some kind of inducement above this level. So here will be my POI. I actually had this marked up, but I did not take the trade. After price mitigates this area, your target will be here. Price came for internal liquidity. The price is going for external liquidity. You don't have to complicate it. That's just how price moves. Price moves from internal liquidity to external liquidity. After price respected this area, they push to the upside. This becomes another protected low. Why? Because it took out liquidity, then break structure. So this area is where I'll be expecting price to respect again. If this low cannot take out this high, that means price is going to target this low. So price targeted the low, price took out this low that was supposed to be protected. And if you connect your POI together, you see that price actually mitigates somewhere here. Took out this as liquidity. Price has mitigated here, under mitigation here. This is the next area that I'll be expecting price to come to. So take out this as an internal liquidity, but on this leg there is no inducement, so I'll be staying away from this setup. If you enjoy this content and you like to see more, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, leave your comments in the comment section, turn on notification bell so as when I release a new video you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you, and I wish you a profitable trading week ahead.